In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer money from Opay to Kuda bank. So this is a step-by-step process, and I believe at the end of this video you'll be able to successfully transfer money from Opay to your Kuda bank or to any Kuda bank account. So for you to be able to transfer money to Kuda bank, just open your Opay app, then click on to bank instead of to Opay, because you are not transferring money to Opay. This to Opay means you are transferring money to only Opay customers, from Opay to Opay, not other banks. So if you want to transfer to any other banks aside from Opay, you have to click on to bank. So once you click onto bank, at the recipient account number right here, you have to provide the person account number or your own account number, which is your Kuda account number. So I'm going to paste in my own Kuda account number right here, so you can see. So it pops up that this account is valid and it's from Kuda Microfinance Bank. So I'm going to click that it's correct, so you can see right here. So I'm going to click on next. So then I'm gonna put in the amount I actually want to transfer to my Kuda or to that Kuda bank. So let's say I want to transfer just 100 naira to the Kuda account. Then I click on confirm. Then this pop up, so I'm gonna click on pay. You can select your best option where you have money, so that's left to you. Then we're gonna confirm this to send money. So I already turn on my fingerprint, so I make use of my fingerprint to transfer payment. So you can see the payment or the transaction successful and everything is fine. So that is how you can actually transfer money from Opay to Kuda bank without any issue. And as you can see right here, I already have transaction notification to my Kuda that so person just sent you 100 naira, as you can see right there. So that is how you can transfer money from Opay to Kuda bank.